Sponsoring the first annual Kick for Wings contest benefiting the Kids at Heart Foundation. The Kid at Heart Foundation provides youth scholarships for students in sports and the fine arts and will fund the Dustin Dotson Memorial Scholarship for a band student and an athlete at Garland High School. Dustin Dotson was a former band member and an athlete at Garland High School. He was a trumpet player in the Mob Band from 1996 to 2000 and number 85 on the Garland Owls State Championship football team. Contestants, are you ready? Kicking for the faculty is Joey Reyes. Kicking for the student body is Laura Toller. And kicking for the Owl fans is Brian Parsons. Great job, everybody. For your efforts tonight, Buffalo Wild Wings is giving all three of you 50 free wings for your efforts. Good job, everyone.